If you're getting Epic Games error code 2203, don't worry. This is usually a permissions issue, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get the Epic Games launcher installed properly. This error often happens when the installer cannot write files to the Windows temporary folder, so we're going to fix that first, then move on to a few backup solutions if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and most effective fix is to give the temp folder full control permissions. To do that, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the field, type %temp%, then click OK. This will open your temporary files folder. Now, in File Explorer, go up one folder level until you reach the local folder. From there, right-click the temp folder and choose Properties. Once the Properties window opens, go to the Security tab and click Edit. Now, you're going to add the proper permissions. Click Add, then type everyone into the box. After that, click Check Names, then click OK. Once everyone appears in the list, select it, and under Allow, check the full control box. After that, click Apply, then OK to save the changes. This gives the installer permission to write the files it needs during setup. Now try running the Epic Games Launcher installer again and see if the error is gone. If the installer still gives you trouble, the next thing to try is running it as administrator. Find the Epic Games installer file, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Sometimes Windows blocks certain installer actions unless you launch them with elevated permissions, so this simple step can make a big difference. If that still doesn't fix it, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. In some cases, Windows Defender or third-party security software can interfere with the installation process. Turn it off just long enough to test the installer again, and once the installation finishes, make sure you turn your antivirus protection back on right away. That part is very important for keeping your PC secure. Another useful fix is checking for leftover Epic Games files from a failed install. Open File Explorer and go to C:\program files, then also check CHAS C:\program files x86. If you see any existing Epic Games folders in either location, delete them. Sometimes a broken or incomplete installation can block the new one from finishing properly. After deleting those folders, restart your computer and try the installer again. By the way, if you're following along and this is helping you out, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss more fix-it tutorials for Windows and gaming errors. I post simple guides that save you time and get you back to gaming faster. To recap, the best fix for Epic Games error code 2203 is usually setting the temp folder permissions correctly, because that's the most common reason the installer fails. If needed, follow up with the administrator launch, antivirus test, and removal of old Epic Games folders. In most cases, one of these steps will get the launcher working again. If this video solved the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.